At Stadler, we are driven, every day, to do whatever it takes for the best rail vehicles in the world. To achieve this, we must give our best every day, because it's us who make the difference. By going above and beyond when it comes to the quality we deliver.
Lubię ciężkie problemy.
By setting new standards with our signature reliability again and again.
Wir machen das Unmögliche möglich.
By having the best people and perfecting the way they work together.
Will man alles geile Sachen sind.
By getting down to business with genuine passion, especially when things get tough.
Bei Stadler musst du wirklich Freestyle kennen.
Es gibt immer einen Weg, ganz einfach.
By nurturing our can-do mindset, thinking in solutions, not problems.
Geht nicht, gibt's nicht.
This is how we think, how we act, who we are. This is what's made us successful and what keeps us moving forward successfully. This is what brought us from humble beginnings to 16 production and component sites and over 80 service locations around the world. Where every day, our people from 70 plus nationalities do whatever it takes to make sure that our customers receive the best solutions for their individual needs. That our employees thrive with pride and ambition as successfully as our company does. That we turn supplier contracts into true partnerships built on mutual trust and support. And to ensure that people around the world can be on the move sustainably in the best rail vehicles in the world. This is what drives us. Stadler. Driven to lead.